This is Dan with Saleen Performance. Wanted to bring you an introduction to the KC lights available for your full-size Bronco. You could really run these on anything. They are universal. Some of the brackets that we have available for them do fit specifically Bronco, but let's jump right in. So the first one that we have available is the KC Flex. This is a single LED, low amp draw, about 1 amp per light. Great for ditch lights, available in a spot beam or a spread beam pattern. The next one up from that is the Flex Era 3. It's a 3 LED light, pulls about 3.4 amps per light. Really unique shape, love the triangle shape. It's a relatively new design for KC. The bezels inside of all these could be changed. They have different color options available. This is available in a spot beam or a combo beam. The next one up from that, Flex Era 4, a little bit bigger in size. It's what you're going to see right here on this Bronco behind me. It's a 4 LED light, pulls about 6.7 amps per light. It's going to put out a lot more power than the other three. It's the bigger one out of all of them. Also available in a spot or a combo. And then if you're looking to go for big lighting, we've got the Pro 6. It's a 50-inch Pro 6 by KC. Made specifically for Bronco. Comes with all the mounting brackets, everything you need to do a roof mount. Can be wired up with or without the upfitter switches. So if you don't have the upfitter switches, comes with the wiring kit there. With the upfitter switches, you would just tie into the existing Ford system. All the lights come with light covers that are specific for it. Give you that unique, instantly recognizable KC logo on front of all the lights. Also protects the lights for when you're doing on-road use with them. In addition, what's not shown here, we have a 6-inch slimline light that is shown on this Bronco here. We've got it mounted on the bumper. We've got 4 up front. We have 5 of the Flex Era 3s down below, and then the ditch lights that we have here are the Flex Era 4s. Check us out, saleenperformance.com, for all your lighting needs.